Jesse's back with another Temu haul for y'all. This one's gonna have jewelry in it, guys. I know you guys love jewelry, and so I'm back. I'm back to give you guys that, and of course a bunch of other little things too. So before we jump into today's video, first and foremost, who is invested in the Kate or Princess Catherine, aka Kate Middleton saga? Okay, I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, and excuse the noise that my eye hole is making. My allergies are going insane. I pretty much stayed in bed this weekend. It's now snowing. It's freaking snowing. Yeah. Anyways, back to the Kate Middleton. I was in bed this weekend, so I was doing a lot of scrolling on the TikTok, and I am legitimately so invested in this. I personally, let me give you my 2 cents first. I personally feel like this is a decoy, a sidetrack. Like, don't pay attention to this, pay attention to this. You know what I mean? I mean, it's the rules, you know? You all know how they are. Like, it's like our country. Like, we're gonna sidetrack you guys with this, but behind the scenes, this is what's really going on. What are y'all's thoughts? I need to know. Okay, I'm a Gemini. I like to see it, the drama, whatever, but I don't want to be in the drama, you know? Anyways, I digress. Hey, welcome to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and over here we just embrace the hot mess. It is a frigid, flipping cold day in the middle of March. We're just over here having a good fun time unboxing some Temu. I'm gonna have everything linked and listed down below for you guys with the prices, but keep in mind the prices that I'm popping up on the screen, they may change, because when it comes to Temu, they have lightning deals all the time. All right, and so the prices will change, and that's okay if you pick it up at one price and the price drops down. They have price adjustments. It's free. They also offer free shipping, free returns. It's amazing. Definitely check my link down below. There are a lot of items that I absolutely love and adore that they put into the link. Now, some of you guys are like, Rhonda, that stuff is sold out. Just click the notification button. I promise you, you'll get a notification for when it comes back in. Do you guys remember the pink powder that I love? Yeah, that we sold out, and we clicked the notifications and all of us were able to snatch it up. So anyways, I'm gonna have a code pop up on the screen, and this is supposed to be good for new and existing users as well. It's gonna save you a bunch of money, so we love that. Temu offers everything from jewelry to clothing to home decor. I've been, as I told you guys, not feeling the best, so I haven't put my new pillows on yet, but I always have decorative little pillow thingies that I put up there when it comes to my Temu decor. It's really crazy affordable, and I love it. All right, so little things that I have picked up from Temu. This is gonna be random, and I'm really good at finding random things on Temu. And it took me a minute, I'm not gonna lie, to even realize what the heck this stuff is. Okay, and you're probably saying the same thing. Is it lawn darts? Rhonda, what is it? Well, it's like for your caulk. You guys know I go through phases where I think I'm really handy and I like to try and fix things. It's okay, I'm married to a Virgo, so he comes right in behind me and fixes everything. But anyways, if you struggle with like caulking things, this helps to like smooth it. It's like a whole set of like 6 of them, and it just pops right on there, and then you can do that and then slide it across. Temu kind of, it's like, you know, when you go into Target and you don't really know what you need at Target, and then Target tells you, that's literally the Temu app. Okay, that's the Temu app. All right, next in here is what I know all of y'all love. Your girl is ready. I love this. You guys asked for it. The Moissanite, can't even talk, my nose is so wackadoodle. The Moissanite jewelry from Temu, you guys, hands down, it is amazing. So they always come with a certification, GRA Moissanite report, and it always comes with a card. So, and this card is going to be your limited lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity. Comes in a nice little box. I don't remember what I picked out, and let's look at it together. It is a ring. Oh, and I dropped it. Okay, so this is in like a rose gold solitaire. So I got this in a size 6. I'm sorry, I should be showing you guys. That is stunning. How pretty is that? Now typically I get things in silver, but a lot of you guys were like, Rhonda, can you please pick out some things in gold and rose gold? So here you go, friends. I listen. I hear you guys. It's very, very much realistic. Like, there's no sugaring look to it at all. Like, you can see the cuts in here. 4-prong setting. That is freaking gorgeous. And the 6 is a perfect fit. Like, okay, if you want bougie and you're on a budget, freaking go to Temu. I can promise you guys, I wash my hands all the time. I am queen of like spraying hand sanitizer, and I've never, not yet, had my things tarnish. Not saying it won't, but you are getting a heck of a good deal for the price. All right, next in here is a thing I'm gonna put potentially on my car. I don't know. If not on my car, I'm gonna find somewhere to put it. It says manifest that ish. Okay, so it's one of those like peel and stick. Do you guys, can you see it? And I don't have a circuit or whatever it's called, or cricket, I don't know. I don't have one. I know you can make it with that. I just thought this was really cute. Next in here is more of things for like when you're caulking. This is what I found the first time, and then I found these handy dandy doohickeys. So you put the caulk down, and then you can, it's got like different widths or whatever, and then you can like slide it across and it smooths everything out. They have a bunch of these little things. I feel like these are really good things to get like your like random things to put in your toolbox, or if you got a husband and he's a little hard to buy for and you're looking for something for his Easter basket, stocking, whatever. Okay, ready? We're back over to some jewelry. Let's go with this jewelry piece first. I don't know why I picked out a size 7, but I did. Again, more gold. I don't know, for me personally, I just really go towards the white gold or the platinum looking or the silver. There's silver, what is it, 925, very good too. So this is just like decorative. That's what it was for. It's like little decorative rings, and it's a set of 4, and you could stack them if you want, which I think is really cute. They're like little wedding bands almost. And then this is just a plain gold band, put like on your thumb. Do you remember? Did you guys wear the thumb rings all the time? I still like kind of wear thumb rings. But here's the stack of them. So you can see it's like a 3-piece. There you go. There's the pieces of them. And you can see the difference in the rose gold and the gold right there. I don't know. I still kind of, these are cubic zirconia. These are not part of the Moissanite line, but I think they're just more or less like pretty little accenty when people are like taking pictures of their nails and then they stack these all over. Like, I know that's unrealistic, but you know what I'm saying. I think they're cute little dainty rings, but I still lean towards that silver. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna leave this one on my thumb though. I low-key kind of like that one. I've never had a ring size like not be true to size, so they're definitely true to size. Hopefully I am in focus. All right, let's go to this Moissanite ring. This is once again part of their GRA certified Moissanite. So you get your card and certification authenticity. And then it's in a nice little box. So it's a 3-piece set, very realistic. Look at that. So it's 3 pieces. So if you want to get engaged with this one, so there you go. So that would be like your engagement ring. And then once you get married, you can wear these however you want. If you want to put them in the center, you want to do like a stack. How cute. I think that's really pretty. It's nice and dainty, and if you don't want both, you could just do this style, which is really stunning. But if you do want this is an eternity band, so it's on all the way. Both of the bands are eternity bands. I would say the center stone in this one is probably about 1 carat, just FYI. And like I said, this one I would guess to be about 2 carats. So I don't know, I'm kind of leaning towards the solitaire. I just love that rose gold. I'm gonna put that back on. So I picked this out because if you guys, do you guys remember my poop neighbor? Literally, I called them the poop neighbors because they would bring their cute, adorable little fluffy dog, and I'm sure you're watching this, so hey, don't miss ya. Yeah, she just threw some shade. I did. Because I have been blessed with the most amazing next door neighbors now, currently, that I have, and If y'all are watching it, hey, I know we don't talk because I'm socially awkward, but I love you guys. So anyways, the poop neighbors would literally, huge backyard. Their backyard is literally fenced in. I'm looking at it right now. All right, so there was no reason for this. But they would bring their dog outside and walk over to my yard and let it poop and proceed to walk back in the house. So anyways, long story long, and I know I've told the story, so I'm going to try and condense it down. When I moved in here, it was just me and my children, and so my dad was helping me with a lot of things. So one of the things that my dad took upon himself to help do is the sump pump. You guys hear it kick on every so often. He like went next door and was like, hey, the sump pump like goes right into her backyard, causes a puddle. Do you care if I dig a hole and dump it in between y'all's home? All right, this was 2013. All right, and I happened to be walking up after work or something while they were having this whole conversation, and the husband and wife were there. I met them for the first time, and they were like, yeah, absolutely, go ahead, do it, no problem. Okay, well then the guy decides he never said that. This was 9 years later. Okay, the puddle is not bad that it makes in between our homes. Matter of fact, the hole that his backyard caused, much worse, but I digress. So with that being said, my husband had to dig the pipe out that my father had put in, and so now, to help alleviate the fact that it now drains back into our yard, which causes more of a mess for them, but they're gone, so we like these new people. So I got this new gutter system thingy. So this expands, so it hooks to our thing, and then my plan is we dig a different hole in our backyard, and maybe, I don't know, I'm not really an engineer. Funny enough, this guy was whatever his job was, he should have known that what he was complaining about literally had nothing to do with the pipe my dad had put in, but I digress on that. So anyways, I got this, and it's gonna hook to like the pipe gutter doohickey thingy, and then it's just gonna fix the problem that we're dealing with because the guy had my husband take the pipe out. It was such a fiasco. But anyways, we've been blessed with new neighbors who we really truly really like, and yeah, good fun times. So you can find things like that over at Temu. Next in here, I think this is for my refrigerator. So the egg thing that I got before in the past, yes, the egg thing that I got in the past from Temu, it didn't work out because I still needed room, and you guys are gonna laugh at me for this, but when I get the big thing of eggs from Costco, I literally, it's like this, and then I put it up on its side, and so it's like balancing like this. Probably not the smartest thing, but when you have, like, my fridge is small for the space and everything, so then I found this on Temu, and I'm like, this is straight perfection. So you literally just put your eggs in here and you take them as you need them. So this is the only amount of space that I'm already using, so I can pull that doohickey out, slide this in, and this is gonna work. I'm so excited I found this on Temu. Next in here, I needed a new mat. If you guys are not getting your doormats from Temu, what you doing? So you see it's got the black and white. So I have one of those black and white rugs, and then I'm going to put this on top of it, so then you'll see the black and white on the outline of it, kind of like a frame. So this one, they're kind of lightweight, but they work really well. I don't know, maybe I'll put this in my house. It's really freaking cute. I may do that. I may put it by the door. I don't know, but I love how cute these are. They come in different sizes too. They do look like they have a gripper back here, and it's a little bit of a grip, but it's nothing like, well, you know, I take that back. I feel like this one has a little bit better of a grip than the other ones, but anyways, it's a good size and they work well. They're for aesthetic purposes. So I'm really happy with them. I've got a ton of them at all of my doors. So it's a set of 2, and it looks like they are towel holders to put over your cupboards. This is gonna be so great because normally, you guys know, were you watching my videos when I got these really cute hand towels for spring? Well, anytime, or any of my towels, and I put them on my oven door, and then you pull the oven door down and it touches the floor and it grosses me out. So I found these. So they hook to your cupboard. I guess technically you could hang them on any cupboard, but I'm gonna put them underneath my sink on those cupboards, and that way my hand towels will be there. And I'll probably insert a picture showing you guys because I'm so excited over these. These are nice and durable too. They're like a metal. It's a dog or cat bow heater. In my head, I'm like, ooh, I could fill this up for all my outside kitty cats. But then I'm worried that the food would go stale sitting outside in the elements. So I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do. But anyways, this is like a nice deep bowl. I feel like Haley picked this out for her dogs now that I'm thinking about it. So anyways, I think it's really nice though. It's like one of those self feeders or automatic kind of feeders. I mean, it's not going to be obviously on the timer, and it's got like a hole in here. So as this dwindles down, the kibbles are gonna fall back out. So if you have an animal that will overeat, you may not want this to be 100 with you guys. But if you have one that just can keep food, like my cat for example, I can put food in her bowl and she'll just nibble on it as she pleases. I think for my cat this would be nice. Let me know your thoughts. Well, actually it doesn't matter, never mind. This is, Haley picked it out, so I have to give it to her. But if I happen to pick one out, would that be okay to sit outside for the outdoor animals that I feed? Like at this point, like we're coming into spring. Well, apparently we're in fake spring 6.0 now. It's literally snowing. Like the chipmunks will come up and eat the bird food and the cat food. And I'm okay with that. Like I'll feed anybody. You guys know I'll put snacks out for the delivery drivers. So, but will it go bad sitting outside though? Let me know you guys' thoughts. So once you guys explained to me exactly what these were for, Haley said, Mom, I would like some too. I said, okay. So these are for like the Stanley size cups and everything. So instead of just having a random assortment of Stanleys floating around, you've got this. So your water bottles, your Stanleys, everything are more organized. And if you have really nice tall cupboards, this will be really nice too. But we have water bottles just kind of floating around everywhere. So I thought, okay, since Haley took mine, let's go ahead and get some more. But I know what they're for. You guys remember I unboxed this? I was like, what would I put in that? You guys were like, Rhonda, water bottles. I'm like, oh yeah. Alright friends, so that is everything for today's Temu unboxing. I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel and every single month showing up, being here. Thank you guys so much. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, I appreciate you guys bunches and bunches. And for those of you sharing my videos, showing up and chit-chatting with me, thank you guys bunches and bunches. And to Temu, thank you for letting me pick out all of these items and working with me in today's video. Like I told you guys, make sure to download the app. I'm gonna have the coupon code pop up. The coupon code bundle that you're gonna have is DKW7245. It's gonna be up on the screen, and make sure to check my link for some of my favorite items at Temu. If it happens to be sold out, don't worry, click that notification button and they will let you know when it restocks. I love Temu. You guys know all the different gadgets that they have. I'm telling you, out of this particular haul, I know it sounds crazy. I mean, yes, I love the ring, obviously, but these two, game changer. I don't know though. This has me pretty excited too. There's a lot going on in today's haul. You guys made it to the end of today's video. Thank you guys bunches and bunches. And everything's gonna be linked and listed down below for you guys with the coupon code bundle with my special little link. And like I said, if the prices have changed from what you're seeing on the screen or down in the description box, don't worry, they offer free price adjustments. You get free returns and free shipping. So you really just can't beat it. Anyways, friends, let me know down below what you'd like to see in my future Temu hauls. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights, don't kid around.